Hello guys, so today we're going to take one of these candle holders, some floor foam, put hot glue around it like that, and then we're going to attach the floor foam, just hold it into place and to attach. Once it attached, I'm going to take these branches and just twist it like that around there for a few times until it breaks into part. Then go ahead and just place it inside the floor foam like that. Then we're going to continue attaching the little branches around there. For better attachment, make sure to put a little bit of hot glue and then place it inside like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this little blue color flowers, place it in there. I'm gonna take some white, place it at the bottom. We're also gonna do some purple and place it in the other sides as well. Then continue putting branches in the back, putting more flowers. I'm gonna do different color like you see here, pink, purple, blue, and with a hint of little white so it can look super cute and more like um Easter look. And then I'm gonna take these cute little white branches and place one inside and the other side, then place another one in the other side. Then I'm gonna take two more and just place it around just to give it more volume so it can look super cute. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy and super cute. It's like more like a little Easter color looks, and it will look great for any party decorations that you guys do. Simple and easy to do. Now for the next idea, we're gonna grab the same candle holder, but we're gonna grab it in white. Put a little bit of hot glue, then put a flower foam right on top to attach it. Then we're gonna take these little branches and place it side by side like that. And then we're gonna take open it up first, and then we're gonna take another two and place it in the other side like that in each side. Then after that, I'm gonna take some flowers and place it right in the middle. I'm gonna place two little flowers side by side like that. Then go ahead and fill it up in the back as well, like that. Then go ahead, spread it out to open it up. Then I'm going to take this small little candle holder, place two of them, and then place the candle right inside like that. Then go ahead and take little cute little flowers and just attach it with hot glue all the way around it. Put little flowers like that just to make it look super cute like this one. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so cute that you guys can do for any party decorations. You can even do this one as a home decor if you would like it. I think either way, it will look great on your table. Now, for the next idea, we're going to take one of these little glass. Put some hot glue on top. Just go ahead and place it all the way around and grab a plate and attach it into place. Then go ahead and spray paint it and go like this one. Then after that, I'm going to take a little bit of the floral foam, cut it just to fit the inside, put hot glue, and then attach it into place like that. Just hold it so it could attach. Then grab your branches and we're going to just place around the greenery like that just to fill out the whole thing. Grab some flowers, place it inside. You could do any colors. I decided to do this cute color. Then I'm going to take this crystal garland and place it around like that. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple and easy. Another way that you guys can do, just put the flower around it and then put another plate right on top. And then just gonna go ahead and take your candle and place it around and then put a cup on top. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. Either way that you guys decided to do, I think it looks super cute. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of both of them. Now, for the next idea, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these glass and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and then attach one upside down like that on top, spray paint it in black. Then I'm going to take another one and spray paint it as well. Then I'm going to take this floral foam, I'm going to cut it just to a little piece so it can fit. I'm going to take this cute little leaves and place them together like that. And then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam and then I'm gonna put a flower right in the middle like that so it can attach into place. I'm gonna put side by side two flowers side by side like that just to make it look super cute. Put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it right to the a glass like that. Then on this one, I'm gonna take another of these candle holder. I'm gonna spray paint these in gold so it can look super cute. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the candle holder and then place it right on top on each candle on each glass. Then I'm gonna take a cute little flower just to make it look super cute. Put a little bit of hot glue and a flower right in the middle like that. I'm gonna take a piece of floral foam and then I'm gonna attach the flower to the floral foam in there like that. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and do another one just like this one. Then I'm gonna place it right in there like that. Then I'm gonna put the candle inside, or you could just put a little mirror like that and place it on top. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple and easy and elegant. This will look great for any home decor party decorations. Like I think it came out super cute and nothing can go wrong with these. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, the taller version or the smaller version. This is like the smaller version. Either way, I think it looks super cute. Now for the next idea. Then I got this little sippy cup, this long sippy cup long time ago. So I'm just gonna take the straw out. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold. Then after I spray paint it in gold, I'm going to put water. You can also place rocks in there. I didn't put it at the beginning, so it was wobbly. That's why I decided to put it. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take this floor foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it right into place like that. Just hold it down. Then after that, we're gonna take some pink little branches like this one, and we're gonna place it inside. If you want to hold it better, put a little bit of hot glue, and then put the branches inside. Then put greenery around it. I'm gonna take this flower, take a toothpick or any stick, just place it in there and then attach it right inside the floor foam. So just go ahead and continue attaching flowers all the way around it until it turns out just like this one. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do. But I didn't want to leave it as that. So let's do another idea. Another idea that I would like you guys to do is just go ahead and grab one of these little balloon that they have in Dollar Tree. This is like a balloon arch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a knife and place it right in the middle like that, just to make like a big hole. So then just go ahead and cut it, and they take the extra follow from like that, and so you have the little gap like that. And just go ahead and take the ring and place it right inside and do it like that. Then once you do that, just go ahead and put some hot glue, and then take the fluorophone and place it inside. This is what's gonna hold it into place. So you have to make sure you do this really good. And I put a lot more fluorophone than that. Just go ahead and put hot glue and put fluorophone into attach into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take this greenery and I'm gonna place it inside. So you're just gonna continue attaching greenery all the way around the like that. So you do the whole thing on the top, bottom, and in the middle as well. Then I'm gonna take my cute little pink little flowers and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around as well like that. You guys see it? You could do different colors. I did all pink, but I think any color will look beautiful. Then go ahead and grab your little flowers and place it inside. And here you can use this little long stick and then place it in the flower, and then just place your flower all the way around it. Don't forget to put a little bit of hot glue to attach your flower into the stick so it doesn't fall apart once you finish your whole centerpieces idea. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Simple and easy and inexpensive. This is really beautiful for any party theme that you guys are doing. Even for a baby shower, you could put a little teddy bear in the middle. It's up to you guys how you guys want to do it. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of both of them. Which one will you do on your baby shower? So then I'm gonna take one of this little glass. I'm gonna put some rocks just to make some weight, but then I put this cute little gold beads around it just to make it look extra cute. Then I'm gonna put some water. In here, instead of using plastic, I suggest use glass because then the one on top will be too heavy for it. So make sure you use glass. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these little container, put a little bit of hot glue and attach it into the top. Then I'm gonna take some of these round floor foam and place two of them together like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it like that. And we're going to place this right inside there. Just hold it into place until it attached. Then I'm gonna take my greenery and place it inside. And here, just gonna continue filling it up like that. Put cute little branches all the way around. Then I'm gonna do some white and like some little cute color just to make it stand out like this one. So then just go ahead and put your flowers. So you see how it's a little bit wobbly. I'm gonna use this little round glass and I'm gonna put some hot glue and then attach it. But if you use the glass one, I don't think you will have to do this step because as you can see, it's a little bit wobbly. That's why I have to do this step here. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and easy and inexpensive. This one's like more easier DIY that you guys can do. And look how cute it looks at the bottom. So you can also do that. Thanks again for watching Special Creation Spendely. And I hope you guys like all this DIY.